Want to look 10 years younger? Watch. Modern razor cut shag with wispy bangs. Perfect for fine or flat hair over 40. This choppy style creates maximum crown volume and effortless movement instantly. Voluminous pixie shag. Ideal for active women seeking a bold, edgy short look that visually lifts cheekbones and frames facial features wonderfully. Medium shag with curtain bangs. Great for round face shapes over 40. Soft cheek-length curtain bangs narrow the face and add elegant framing contours. Curly natural texture shag. Best suited for natural curls. This layered cut prevents heavy triangle hair, while bringing youthful bounce to mature curls. Silver fox feathered shag. Flattering for women embracing natural gray. Wispy feathered layers soften angular features and accentuate bright silver hues. Shoulder-length wolf shag cut. Designed for thick hair, this hybrid style thins out heavy ends while creating modern, edgy crown volume instantly. Short shag bob with bottleneck bangs. Ideal for long or oval facial structures, bottleneck bangs gracefully highlight eye features while maintaining playful chin length. Messy wavy lob shag. Loved by women over 40 who prefer low-maintenance routines. Simply spray sea salt for instant beachy volume. Which haircut was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Wispy layered long shag. Great for keeping length without feeling weighed down. Cascaded thin layers soften the neckline and jawline beautifully. Edgy mullet shag hybrid. Suited for confident trendsetters over 40. This bold rocker-inspired shape adds maximum height and daring youthful personality. Soft shaggy cut with glasses. Specially crafted for glasses wearers, face-framing flicked layers prevent hair from crowding stylish frames comfortably. Choppy French girl shag. Flattering for fine straight hair, blunt choppy ends paired with French-style microlayers create effortless French chic aesthetics. Piecey asymmetrical shag. Perfect for narrowing round facial proportions. Uneven piecey sides create modern diagonal visual interest instantly. Crown volume layered shag. Ideal for thinning hair over 40. Stacked top crown layers boost optical hair density without losing length at shoulders. Which style matches your personality best? Comment its number below. Shaggy Feathered Bob. Best suited for oval faces. Chin-length soft feathered ends outline facial contour lines while keeping dynamic airy fullness. Beach Wave Medium Shag. Great for medium hair with natural movement. Tousled textured layers give a youthful, sun-kissed, carefree summer energy. Retro 70s Rocker Shag. Flattering for women over 40 who love bold vintage aesthetics. Rich heavy top layers create dramatic texture effortlessly. Sleek straight shag cut. Ideal for pin-straight hair textures. Razor-cut inner layers provide visible movement and volume without needing curling irons. Soft face-framing layered shag. Suited for softening sharp jawlines or angular face shapes. Long cheek-skimming layers gently frame jaw contours gracefully. Ultra-textured shaggy pixie cut. Perfect for a youthful wash-and-go look. Wispy top spikes create instant cheekbone lift effortlessly. Don't forget to tell us your favorite number in the comments.